Here's a 2021 Ford Ranger. It was brought in today to do a add-on remote start to the factory remote. This is what the remote looks like. It's a Ford switchblade key with 3 buttons on the front: unlock, lock, panic. We installed a Viper add-on remote start with security system. When you hit lock, now you have the alarm system active with a siren. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. And we'll do that now. And we cut it off with the original remote. Just like a standard alarm for remote start, we push the lock button 3 times. We have remote start in stock and ready to go for most vehicles here at Innovative Car Sound. We are open Monday to Saturday 10 to 6 and closed on Sunday. 2021 Ford Ranger Viper add-on remote start with alarm. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.